Alright folks, before we get rolling, if you want your emails to actually land in inboxes, not get sucked into the spam abyss, hit that link in the description below for a special lifetime deal on Reoon Email Verifier. Trust me, you'll want this. Let's be real. Nothing ruins your day faster than sending out a shiny new email campaign, only to watch your bounce rate soar higher than your hopes on New Year's Eve. That's where Reoon Email Verifier comes in. A tool that cleans up your email lists so you can actually reach people, not just internet ghosts. Now here's what makes Reoon stand out. First off, accuracy. We're talking over 99% accuracy. That means fewer bounces, more opens, and a happier you. It checks everything: major email types, inbox status, even those sneaky temporary emails and role-based accounts like support @ or admin @. It'll even sniff out those catch-all addresses that love to mess with your stats. The real magic? Reoon does all this without sending a single email. It's like Sherlock Holmes for your contact list. Deep validation through SMTP, MX records, and MTA checks. And if you've got a sign-up form, you can plug Reoon's API right in for live checks. Right now, AppSumo's giving you a lifetime deal starting at $79. Yup, one payment and you're sorted for life, with thousands of bonus credits and daily checks thrown in. Stack up to 5 codes if you've got a mega list. And if you're worried, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so no stress. Users rave about the accuracy and support. Sure, the UI's a bit retro, but honestly, who cares if your bounce rate drops from 20% to 1%? That's like going from dial-up to fiber overnight. So if you want your emails delivered and your boss off your back, grab that deal using the link below. Trust me, your inbox and your sanity will thank you. Don't forget, hit the link in the description to lock in your lifetime deal before it's gone. Happy sending!